everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about the importance of self-confidence for students. Self-confidence is the belief in our own abilities and in our own worth as individuals. It is the foundation for success and happiness in all aspects of life. As students, we face many challenges and obstacles, and self-confidence can help us to overcome these challenges and achieve our goals. Self-confidence allows us to believe in ourselves and in our abilities. It gives us the courage to take on new challenges and to try new things. Self-confidence can help us to overcome these challenges and achieve our goals. It gives us the courage to take on new challenges and to try new things. When we have self-confidence, we are not afraid of failure because we know that we can learn from our mistakes and do better next time. Self-confidence also helps us to communicate effectively and to build relationships with others. When we are confident in ourselves, we are more likely to speak up, share our ideas and connect with others. This leads to improved relationships, better teamwork and stronger network. So how can we develop self-confidence in students? The first step is to focus on our strengths and to build on them. We should also celebrate our achievement and recognize our progress, no matter how small. Additionally, we should surround ourselves with positive people who support and encourage us. Another important aspect of self-confidence is self-care. Taking care of our physical and mental well-being is essential for building and maintaining confidence. This includes getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in physical activity. So, my fellow students, let us all strive to build and maintain self-confidence in ourselves. By doing so, we will be better equipped to handle the challenge that come our way to reach our full potential to live happy and fulfilling lives. Thank you for listening.